How to read a time signature. Step 1. Locate the time signature. It's right there. Step 2. Read the time signature. It's 2 numbers. Step 3. The top number means the number of beats per measure. Step 4. What that means. What is that? That's a bar line. Another one? There's a measure in between because bar lines separate measures, and every measure contains a number of beats. That's why the top number is the number of beats per measure. Step 5, the bottom number. It's the division of the whole note that gets the beat. Step 6, figure out which one it's talking about. Think of it like a fraction. If 1/2 of a whole note is a half note, if 1/4 of a whole note is a quarter note, quarter note, then 1/8 of a whole note equals an eighth note, 16th equals a 16th note. So the bottom number is the division of the whole note against the beat. Step 7, memorize it forever. Say this phrase. 3 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. You can also think of it like this. Top number times the fraction. 4 times quarter note. 4 beats of quarter notes go in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarter notes in a measure. Alright. Step 8, do some examples. 4 time. 4 beats per measure, quarter note gets the beat. 4 quarter notes equals 1 measure. 4 is super common. Sometimes they just write a giant C instead of 4. It stands for common. It looks kind of like that. Step 9, more examples. It's 3/8 time. 3 beats per measure, 8th note gets the beat. Or 3 times 1/8 note gives you 1 measure in 3/8 time. Songs in 3/4 or 3/8 are also called waltzes, like the ballroom dance. Step 10, another example. 2, 2, 2, 2. Look at them. There's 2 of them. 2 beats per measure, half note gets the beat. Or 2 half notes makes 1 measure in 2/2 time. 2/2 time is very common, so we call it cut time. It's like C for common time, except cut in half. There it is on the staff. Wait, I have a question. I think that's everything. We did like a whole bunch of examples. No, something's still missing. Now correct me if I'm wrong, but you can't, because it's a video. If a half note equals 2 quarter notes, so 2 half notes equals 4 quarter notes. Wait, so 2/2 time is the same thing as 4/4 time? What? They're exactly the same thing, but they created 2 different shorthands for writing them? What? Okay, mathematically, 2/2 and 4/4 are the same. Only mathematically. This is too hard. However, we count the beats differently. So although 4/4 and 2/2 are technically the same, the meter is not the same. But we'll talk about that later. Step 12, like the video, subscribe.